ever YouTube video, and we're going on the road, so stay tuned. Outside! Yes guys, we're going on the road as I said, and halfway through the journey I remember that I wasn't recording and I should have been recording. But anyways, if you're from Clarendon then you know where we are going, but if you're not then stay tuned to find out. The whole experience, but as soon as we arrived at the destination, couldn't even get any park. We had to pay $800 to get a park. But now we're walking to find where the tickets are sold. My grandmother told us that kids were free and adults were $1,300. But when we reached, we realized that kids were for how much? $600. I'll show you guys on the bus, and adults for $1,200. A lucky thing so we walk with money. Jesus. So right now we're handing in our tickets to the security so that they could punch in or do whatever they do with it and give us back, tear off a piece and give us back the remaining piece. And yeah, we'll go right in. As soon as we reach, no one clown that me see. Oh, me afraid of clown. As big as me be. I'm afraid of clown. I'm not telling no lie. So now we walk and we see a couple things. And my mother say, hey Risha, see goat there. I have to video goat them because you know my friend bad. I video everything. Yeah, some bananas. I don't know what was in that house right there, but it never interested me, so I just kept walking. Yeah, and then all of a sudden we reached a point where toys were. My cousin, look, where's Braden? Look at Braden. When we look, we can't find Braden. Where is Braden? Braden is on the other side of the road, looking at the toys. Just look at Braden. By now, you guys must have figured out where we are, and so I'm just going to say, them is all about walking. You walk until your foot tired, and we're just walking. I was tired, I was exhausted. I couldn't find anything that was interesting to me. Nothing at all interested me. So I just kept walking. I think this is for kids. I don't think this is for adults. Yes, this was my time to shine now. This was my time to shine. Right here, the snow cone and the popcorn and those stuff. Yes, you can call it that. This is what I came for. $200 for the snow cone. Yeah, for ice and syrup. What me no cost? Me not say nothing. $200 for one bag of popcorn and $400 for a hot dog. But business is a business, is it? So yeah, me just buy me thing them. But Jesus would have to wait long. We wait, but me not even want to tell a lie. I don't want to tell any lie. We wait a good maybe 10 to 15 minutes. We were waiting on the snow cone and the popcorn because the electricity for them went out or something like that. But we were waiting for a long period of time. Yeah. Then I finally got my snow cone. And the man they want to give me something to, after I did it so long. See the popcorn, after one eternity, we finally get it. Yeah. My mother says to her friend them and go talk, and then she come back. So down this road there was a game. I didn't think I'd video it. There was a game that some people were playing where you pay $100 for a throw, $100, and when you throw the ball in the crate, any money that's in the crate that your ball lands on is your money. But my love, the man who host the game, like him no want the people they win, he just want collect $100 them. So me no bother go play, I just let them go and do them thing. So the great Braden saw something that he wanted again. Now here Braden, we fi give him $100 for him buy what he wanted, teddy bear or whatever. Poor Braden not even know say $100 can buy teddy bear. So now we reach at the ride. You ride them boring, you see, man. Well, the line them long, so I guess it's nice to the kids. I saw these clowns, you see, and me just stand up and look upon them, because if they look at me too hard, me don't know why I'm afraid of them. Me don't know. They just me don't know, honestly. Finally, we arrived at where the animals were. Listen, I don't know what licked me for me coming at this track right here. So, me just a try to walk fast, but the crowd, me just want to come out. I don't know why the cow them stink. Hey, the cow them have a piece of smell. Jesus, my God, man. We have to hurry up. Just listen how me I feel call. Just listen how me I feel call Braden. Because me afraid I goat, But it look like them not afraid. Look how the goat big. And them I run towards the goat. Instead of they run from the goat. Hey, anyhow me they come at them be. Come make something buck me. Would I be an idiot? Me stay far from them. Me nah make them buck me. Me nah make no cow kick me. Me nah make nothing do nothing. Cause me stay far from them. Me.
Come, Jesus! Dengar, Ui dengar di dalam nama.
So we went on an other side. I guess these were, what are these? I don't know. I guess over here are the bulls because I see a bull. The bull look mad. That the bull there? I don't know, but me just afraid of them. Yes, I'm afraid. I'm so sure of him. I saw a pig. The pig clean. Don't you look clean? Look on a angle when me hold the phone. Don't you look clean? But my love, when I look again, him nobody clean. Look on dirty. But you know that dirty like how pig always dirty though. So make him props though. Then clean him up nice. We start walk again, my love. We walk. It's like we are going in one big circle. meet my friend Jerome. He wanted to come in the video. Because he said when my boss, I must remember
We're
him.
at Denver Showground where I'm selling kids. As you can see, 520,001 depends on the age. Good kids there, look on them.
Pretty kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, there was a dead fish in the water. That little boy though, he had two fish. They were alive, but I guess that one didn't make it. Then we saw peacocks. Yeah, I guess their cage was too small because they couldn't open up and show star. They're pretty. Well, I don't think they're pretty. I'm not gonna lie. They're not pretty to me. They're scary. Yeah. I don't know what I was doing here. I guess I just wanted to come in the video. So here I am, me and the chicken in the video. Now look at Nathaniel. I don't know what Nathaniel was dancing to. But he was dancing. Yes, he was dancing to what I don't know. So we reached to where I think they said that Rising Star was going to be held or something like that. Some singing business. We could get no cheer, my love. It was boring. It was boring. It was so boring. I can't exaggerate how boring it was. So we left and we went to Devon House. But Devon House, master. Devon House looked like it was keeping something that I didn't know about. So I just went home. It was okay, I guess. The day wasn't so bad, but yeah, I thought it would be better. And that was my Demby experience. So bye guys.